s'en va dans ma tasse de café. Une trace d'ombre au bord de l'évier. Je ferme les yeux, j'inspire ton parfum. Les murs s'éclairent, le jour vient tout doucement. Première lumière sur nos deux chaises. Tout est pareil, pourtant tout me dépasse. Je laisse tomber ce poids sur ma poitrine. Je te respire et soudain tout s'incline. Première lumière, je te laisse entrer. T'es pas léger sur le vieux parquet. Un rire qui traîne, oublie dans l'entrée. Je dis plus rien, je laisse faire mes mains. Le monde attendra, je choisis ce matin. Un souffle, un regard, ta tête contre mon cou. Je ne demande plus rien, je suis déjà chez nous. Première lumière sur nos deux chaises. Tout est pareil, pourtant tout me dépasse. Coffee cup cooling on the table. Steam tracing ghosts in the air. Cobblestones wet from the night rain. Taxi doors closing somewhere. Paris early morning, breathing in slow. I'm learning how to hold you and still let you go. Paris early morning, quiet soft gold. My heart in your windows, just watching it unfold. Newspapers stacked by the doorway. A baker unlocks with a key. Your name in the lines of my palm now, but my hands are finally free. to chase every shadow till I forgot what was real. Now I just sit with the silence and feel what I feel. Feel what I feel. Streets gone quiet, coffee in a paper cup, keys on the table, shoes still unlaced, your jacket on my chair smells like rain and smoke. I trace the crease where your shoulder used to rest. This is the stillness after the long night, when every shadow finally sits down, breathing in slow, breathing you out. One small room holding what's left of the sound. Curtains barely moving, first pale stripe of day, my voice in a low hum, talking to the dust. Your glass in the sink, lip print half erased. I rinse it, leave it upside down, let it dry on its own. I count the seconds between the cars, let the silence answer back. If you walked in now, I'd only nod, like you'd never left at all. chair, glass leaving circles, jacket light on the hook, clock hums over the doorway. You say it's late, I nod agree. A smile that barely moves, steam fading from the teacup. Last call for yesterday. They're stacking up the chairs around us. Nothing left we need to say. The silence fits, it doesn't crowd us. Last call for yesterday. We let it go the way it found us. Street lamp through blinds draws lines on your shoulder. Your hand near mine, not reaching, not retreating. You check your phone, then set it face down. Both of us see there's nothing urgent waiting. Streetlight buzz in a coffee cup, steam on the glass. Delivery trucks like distant drums, turning the dark to brass. Late night chairs stacked on the counter, newspapers on the floor. I stir the cream, watch it blossom, like maybe I've been here before. Concrete and steam, this quiet in between, where the city's half asleep and the sky is pale and clean. Concrete and steam, windows start to gleam. I'm the only heartbeat in somebody else's dream. Empty train sighs through the station. One tired man, one broom. Pigeons circle the billboard frames. Faded colors bloom. Your name waits in my phone like weather, cloudy with a chance of call. I trace it once, then let it fade back into the screen. Soft fall. Bus brakes hiss like they're breathing. Storefront gates roll up slow. I walk past lives I'll never live, watching curtains glow. If you were here, would we whisper? Or just share the view? Two cups on this chip white saucer, one sunrise split in two. Tes clés sur la table, tes pas qui s'éloignent très lents. Une tasse encore tiède et mes mains qui tremblent moins. Laisse-moi juste reposer. Repos dans l'écho, dans l'écho. Chaque soupir retombé me rend plus clair, un peu plus haut. Repos dans l'écho. Les murs connaissent ton rire, ils apprennent à respirer lent. Je range nos souvenirs un par un en te pardonnant. Je ne retiens plus rien. Je laisse glisser ton nom. Sur les touches tout doucement. Un rayon sur le salon. Repos dans l'écho. Repos dans l'écho. Repos dans l'écho. Oh. Repos dans l'écho. Repos. Les chaises rangées de travers, un verre qui transpire encore, tes doigts qui tracent sur la table, cercles qui tournent trop fort. Dernier verre, on se parle à demi-mot. La nuit reste au bord de l'eau. Rentre pas trop tôt. Dernier verre, nos ombres glissent sur le trottoir. Le jour attend derrière le bar. On se quitte sans vraiment partir. La caisse qui compte le silence, le serveur qui plie son tablier. Tes yeux cherchent l'heure sur la vitre, comme si le temps pouvait se plier. Dernier verre, on se parle à demi-mot. La nuit reste au bord de l'eau. Rentre pas trop tôt. Dernier verre, nos ombres glissent sur le trottoir. Le jour attend derrière le bar. On se quitte sans vraiment partir. Demain, les mêmes façades, les mêmes journaux, les mêmes cafés, mais ce souffle qu'on laisse entre deux phrases va continuer. Va continuer. Streets all watercolor, rain on the neon sign, coffee gone cold on the counter, ticket stub torn at the spine. Half-lit frame reflections, ghost in a wrinkled coat, lipstick on the rim of a glass, name I can't quite quote. Ashtray dawn, smoke in my breathing, last train gone, still I'm here, still I'm leaving. Ashtray dawn, room barely breathing. You were a song, fading out, repeating. Chair where you used to slouch, tilted like it knows why. Coat check tag in my pocket, little paper alibi. Bartender wipes the same spot like time stuck to the grain. I stir the silence slowly till it tastes like your name. Ashtray dawn, smoke in my breathing. Last train gone, still I'm here, still I'm leaving. Ashtray dawn, room barely breathing. You were a song, fading now, repeating. If I'd stayed, if you had called, if one small lie had never fallen, but the keys hit soft like they always do, playing around the shape of you. Steam on the glass, late cup of coffee going cold, street hum distant, but here it's just my breathing and the gold of this small lamp glow, pages on the table unread, clock hand wandering like my head, fading in the quiet, let the soft night cover me, peaceful in the silence, every sound of memory, solitude, my island, where the world can't follow through, fading in the quiet, until the quiet feels like you. Chair by the window, bare feet pressed against the floor, moon draws a curtain, shadows painting shapes across the door, thoughts drip, slow tide, names I used to say out loud, now just tiny sparks in a cloud. I exhale the day, watch it leave the room, one deep breath away from forgiving what I can't undo. I lean into the dark till it turns a softer blue, and in this hush, this hollow hush, I almost feel brand new. tie on the table, keys by the door, shoes half unlaced, you don't move anymore. Street hum distant, clock says it's late. Heart finally quiet, you can sit with your weight. Let it all fall right here. Heavy eyes, heavy year. In this worn out chair, you're safe. Breathe it in slow, let it fade. After hours ease, after hours ease. Jacket on the backrest,
Phone face down,
phone face down.
missed calls waiting.
You don't need them now.
You don't need them now.
Steam from a mug,
Fog on the glass,
fog on the glass.
hands wrapped around it.
Feeling day drain past. Let it all fall right here.
Heavy eyes, heavy ears.
In this worn out chair, you're safe. Breathe it in slow, let it fade. After hours ease.